Hey everyone. If you want to send messages on LinkedIn professionally, whether it's to recruiters, employers, or connections, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to send messages on LinkedIn in 2026. First, open LinkedIn and go to the messaging section. This is where all your conversations are stored. Next, choose the person you want to message. This could be a recruiter, employer, or someone in your network. Click on the message button to open the chat. Now you're ready to start typing your message. Start with a polite greeting. Keep your message simple, respectful, and professional. Next, introduce yourself clearly. Mention your name, background, and why you are reaching out. Then explain your purpose. Whether you are looking for a job, networking, or asking for advice. Finally, send the message and follow up if needed. Wait a few days before sending a polite follow-up message. So yeah, that's how you send messages on LinkedIn in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can communicate professionally and build strong connections. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.